Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to take apart the center console and the HVAC controls in the 2004 and 2007 Scion XA. Let's get started. What you're going to need to do either one of these is a Phillips head screwdriver like this, and either a flathead or a credit card will do. So I'm going to start with the center console first because it's the easier out of the two. If you have the automatic, you're going to see this tall looking shifter right here. If you have the manual, it's a little shorter, but it's the same idea. There's a little tiny screw right here. I'll try to zoom in on that for you. Can't really see it, but it's in there. And just take that out. Okay, I just got it out. You can really tell. But you go from the side right here, you just pull it up, comes right off. And to get it all the way off, you're going to want to put your e-brake on. And when you pull this up, it's going to be a little resistance because of the seats, but you kind of turn it like this, take it off, and voila. Now you'll notice this little piece falls off. That just goes back on right here. Like that. Okay? So that's that. Okay. Now, okay, so for the HVAC controls, you're going to want to undo all these little guys. You just pull them straight out. And then you have to take this one, and these two screws right here. And I'll show you in a second, there's two more screws under these. These come right off. And it's this screw right here. And this screw right here. Once again, it's this screw. Now, these two screws that I'm about to do are two different thread sizes, so what you're going to want to do is separate them, maybe go left and right. That's what I'm doing. So you don't want to mix those up because otherwise they won't fit properly. Alright, so there's those ones. Now you just gotta do these little guys. Nothing too hard. You don't have to worry about these little guys because they're the same size, so. Okay, and now you can just literally pull the whole thing apart. Comes right out. The first time you might have to use a little bit of force, but the whole thing basically just comes out. And if you're trying to get to work on these, maybe paint this bezel here black or whatever color you want, you're gonna have to take out these harnesses right here one right here, and then this big old fat guy right here. And yeah, that's all, folks. And then when you go to put it back, it's the same way. Just make sure you try to be gentle with it. And hope this helps you guys.